Hello guys, how are you doing? We have something from Nokia and HMD Global to celebrate the Christmas season. This is our first festive gift from Nokia, and as you can see, Nokia has a motto these days: love it, trust it and keep it. So let's see what they have sent us in this nice bag. So this small package inside, which I'll show you now. So here is this package which they have sent us, and it's customized, which says Nokia HMD. And let's go through this tree. Season's greeting and best wishes for the new year. Wishing you and your loved ones a joyous holiday season and for health and happiness throughout the coming year. So basically, let's take out this ribbon so that we can read the letter. So I really like this customized letters which says 5 years ago HMD Global was launched with a promise to make people fall in love with their mobile devices once again. It has been our ethos since day one to deliver a world-class mobile experience for everyone, whether it is by using a feature phone, smartphone, or more recently a tablet. As you know, a T20 tablet Nokia has launched, which is yet to arrive in South Africa. We hope you will enjoy this sweet treat baked by one of our local brand ambassador, Devi Shopo, who through his tenacity and hard work created a sustainable and thriving business, Keki by Devi, despite the challenge of lockdown. So I met Devi Shopo, and then his interview with me is on my YouTube channel. You can definitely go through it. On behalf of the HMD Global team, we want to thank you for joining us over the last 5 years as we help more people love, keep and trust their devices. We look forward to continuing our long-standing partnership with you into 22 and beyond. Justin Mayer, Vice President Sub-Saharan Africa, HMD Global, the home of Nokia phones. So I'm really grateful for Nokia and HMD Global for sending this nice package. I really like the Christmas tree. And what we have received are these beautiful cupcakes, which are cooked by Keki by Devi. This is his logo, Keki by Devi. You can order your cakes on 0844307326. He is generally booked, so you have to book him beforehand using this number, and he will definitely make some good cupcakes and good, this is I visited him, and then he was making a nice cake, which you can see on my YouTube channel also. So this is really nice cupcake, and he has specifically written HMD on the same. So thank you HMD Global, and thank you Nokia for sending these cupcakes. And don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel if you like these unboxings. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Thank you.